here heavy due to heavy rainfall, there is a flood there were a flood occurred due to heavy rainfall, and lot of water get entered in the human settlements or at the Tamil Nadu uh, state. So in that state, what happened, this event is occurred in November 2050. So in this place, what happened at that place, many people get died because of there is a heavy rainfall occurred, and due to this heavy rainfall, what happened, flooding caused. Flooding means there was a lot of water get entered inside the human settlements or the colonies or cities, and due to this, what happened, due to this heavy flood, many people get died or flow out with the water during this event. Okay, so here if again we see the another example of this such type of events. See here, which type of damage takes place in that Tamil Nadu. Here, this rainfall or this rain get entered in the human settlements. As like if we see in this image, all the human settle get these get under the water, or all this surface get covered by the water because of all the rain throw or all the rain flow in that direction. Because there is a heavy rainfall, there is a no placement or no empty space for the floating of that. There is a overflow of the river banks or water bodies takes place at that Tamil Nadu due to this heavy rainfall, and due to that the heavy flood causes the such type of damage, that is many people get died, and also there are lot of damage takes place their property. Okay, natural property, human made property. So in that way, such type of damage get occurred uh, at the Tamil Nadu in November 2050. Okay, so here we see such type of events. Then again we see the another events that is occurred in the Mumbai at every rainy season. So here we see the next event, that is the event today people of the even today people of Mumbai shudder, means it is under a shock or fear of that event, because there is a memory of July 2005. Which type of memory are they? So here, due to heavy rainfall, there is a flood occur, because we know Mumbai is uh, placed at which side? It is near to the sea. Okay, it is developed near to the sea level or the sea side. So due to this, what happen, when there is a heavy rainfall takes place in a rainy season, the sea get overflow, and all the water which are in the sea get entered in the Mumbai city, and due to this, what happened, there is a very large or dangerous flood will occur at July 2005 in the Mumbai. So the memories of such event is very shocked or very fear memories are there. So due to this, even today people of Mumbai shudder at the memory of July 2005, because at that event what happened, many people had lost their lives in their Delgu. Delgu means severe flood, means the flood occurs in a large scale or in the various large dangerous form. So here, due to this Delgu, the or severe flood, it is also called Delgu, is also called severe flood. Severe flood means the extent of this flood is very dangerous or large. So due to this such Delgu, many people lost their lives, and also various damage or destruction get occurred during that event. So due to this, these people are nowadays also these people are under the shudder. Shudder means it is under the fear of that shock which is occurred at the July 2005's deluge or flood. Okay, so here by seeing these images, we see some events which are occurred in our country at different places. We see which events I again explain. See here, in July 2005, how the heavy flood will occur, and all the human settlements or human beings or their vehicles or their properties in whole Mumbai cities get full with of the flood water. Okay, so here heavy rain, due to heavy rainfall, there is a heavy flood is occurred at the Mumbai city. Okay, so there is a very large and few huge damage of the lives of people takes place. Due to this, peoples are also nowadays also people are under the shudder, okay, of that event. So here, by seeing all these events, here we find out that why these events occur, or what do you call, or why, which type of name will give for the all the events. So here we see the next point, these are under the disaster name, okay. So first we have to know what is the disaster. So if we see all the events which causes the damage of life and also property and social aspects of nation, so such events we call disaster. Means in this your textbook, that is on page number 26, if we see these all events, that is the four events they give us which are took place in our country India at different places. First event we see, these events are occurred in the Killari, okay. I again repeat this all the events which are occurred. See here, with the help of these images, first image will occur in the Killari at Latur district, that is the earthquake. Second event is Mumbai, at Mumbai in 2005, July 2005, there is a deluge is deluge was occurred because of heavy rainfall. Deluge means, what is the meaning of deluge? It is the heavy flood, okay, heavy flood. So this flood, due to this flood, large damage, uh, large destruction or damage of life takes place due to this heavy rainfall. Then we see the another event, that is in July 2005, whole village, whole village means total village of this Malin in Ambegaon. We know the Malin, it is a village which is placed at which taluka, that is the Ambegaon taluka in the Pune district, okay. So whole village get destroyed. Why? Because there which type of events get occurred, that is the due to landslide. Due to landslide, whole the village got buried under the heaps of soil and stone and lost their lives. Also we see the another event, that is the in November 2015, many people died due to the flooding caused by heavy rains in Tamil Nadu. So also in Tamil Nadu state, there is also heavy rainfall occurred, and due to this heavy rainfall, flood will be occurred in that city of the Tamil Nadu. And due to this, what happened, whole Tamil Nadu state, or the some places at the Tamil Nadu will get damaged, or many people get died due to this flooding, or many damage of this property, also the lives will get destroyed, okay. So here we see these types of events, and by these events we can define the disaster. So here we see what is the disaster, what is meaning by disaster. If we define this disaster by studying all these events, what is the definition here? What happened, they a sudden events that causes large scale damage to life. So here we see which type of sudden events takes place in all these events, that is a such type of events, that is I explain here, earthquake, that is volcano eruption, storms, okay, flood, sorry, it is a flood, then heavy due to heavy rainfall, then storm. So here such type of events, sudden events occurred on the earth's surface, and due to this, what happened, large scale damage means damage of the properties, life and social aspects happen due to the in the large quantity. So here large scale damage of to life, property and social aspects of nation or society is called disaster, okay. Disaster mean nothing but the these are the events, which type of events, that events which causes damage. Which type of damage? The damage will be of life, means living things get died due to this damage. Also there is a damage of some property of our country, that is like natural damage. Trees will get float out. In some cases trees, in earthquake, trees or all the objects which are present on that earth surface will get buried due to earthquake. So in that condition we say that this is the disaster. Disaster means it is these are the events, okay, different types of events. These are events which occur suddenly, these are occurred accidentally, okay. These are not occur slowly motion, these are occurred at a sudden instant. So here the disaster mean these are nothing but the events. Which type of events? The events that causes the damage, large scale damage of life, property and social aspects. Social aspects means the damage of road, then electricity, okay, in that way. Some hospitals are there on the surface, some social organization are there, school, colleges, okay, banks. Our in that way our country will get damage in that social aspects, okay, for our nation or society. So in that way we can define the disaster. I again explain what is the disaster.